কঙালী ঐ মাঘৰ বিহু ভোগালী বহাগতে ধেমালি তৰুণৰে চেনাকি ঐ বহাগতে ধেমালি।
Assam, located south of the Eastern Himalayas, is one of the seven sister states. Known for its rich culture and the diverse population, the culture of Assam is a fusion of Indo-Burmese, Mongolian and Aryan influences. The beautiful land is a little paradise. The natives are called Assamia, which is also the state language of Assam. The Assamese adorn very simple dresses and mostly hand-loomed. The women wear motif-rich mekhela chador or rekha mekhela. The men wear surya or dhoti, and over it they drape a chador known as selem. Gamusa is an indispensable part of almost all social religious ceremonies in Assam. It is derived from the Kamrupi word gamasa, which was used to cover the Bhagavad Purana at the altar. There are different types of tribal people in Assam. Most of tribal people love their own culture, values language, and they want to preserve it. Moreover, the main feature of Indian culture reflects in Assamese culture. They are kind-hearted, emotional, love-seeking people.
Assam is the important part and state of India. Assam is very famous for its one-horn rhino, tea production, Assamese silk production and its costumes. And Assam also famous for the oil productions in the world. Instead of it, there are many other things to explain, but it is not possible to describe about Assam in a short video. Well, Assamese culture is very famous and very lovable in the world. Let's enjoy some cultural clips of Assam.
হে স্বর্গ দেউলালে হে বাৎসরার মুখলৈ ওই দুনিয়ায় পাতিলে দোলা দুলিয়ায় পাতিলে দোলা হে কাঁধ জিলিকিলে হে নড়ার জাঙে ফায় গাতে ঘুমে সে ওর সোলা একটু তুমি হুঞ্জা জানানে মরণর ধুলিয়া তোমার ঢোলা আর সেবে কিয়া করে বলিয়া বিহু মারি থাকিবর বিহু মারি থাকিবর মন মরমর